unboxing my labubu. What color do you think it is? Drop a comment down below. Ready? 1, 2, 3. The blue one. We got the blue one. This one over here. Bye.